only scratch Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is your Smarans. Today I'm going to show you my pets, Junnu and Chinnu. Look at them. This is Chinnu, it's a female, and the back black Junnu is a male. Junnu, what are you doing there? So Chinnu is a female bird and the breed is cockatiel. This female is about 90 days old and it's quite calm and it is not trained. So we are still in training. Chinnu, wanna go there? Okay, here is Junnu. Wait, oh it's okay, don't worry. Come on, Junnu. You got hurt? And there is a male cockatiel and it is actually fully trained from the pet shop. It flies, but now it actually knows how to fly from here to there. And it's a really long distance. Cockatiels like glittering items such as rings and golden chains. Junnu, the first time I showed my chain, it from the cage, it comes to me and gets to my shoulder and keeps biting my chain all the time. Yes? Female cockatiels usually do not like or be impressed by the mirror, but whereas Junnu and male cockatiels enjoy watching themselves in the mirror and do very nice songs and whistles. And let us see how Chinnu reaction is. Wow, Junnu, you're such a great bird. Wanna look at your mirror? Check out. See what he's doing. Just see Chinnu, what he does. I'm keeping it like this because if he bites my neck, it will pain. Come on. Don't bite. That is a bad bird. What? Now just see Chinnu. He doesn't do anything. He just annoys it. He doesn't care about it. And it's really silent. That even if you keep a cockatiel sound, male cockatiels usually make a whistle to communicate with them. But if you take a female cockatiel like Chinnu, it doesn't respond. So, Junnu, you have learned how to turn. Come on. Oh, such a good bird, Junnu. Look at yourself in the mirror. Wait. I will see how. Such a nice Junnu. Step up. Step up, Junnu. A good bird. Now let us feed some food for them and really like the nuts. Are you hungry, Junnu? Really hungry? Chinnu, hungry? Let's have some food? Yes? Hey, you already bite me on my neck, right? Good bird, you're such a nice bird. So here is the food they usually eat. These are sunflower seeds and these are kind of a lemon seed, and these are different types of seed which they eat. So now let us feed this food to Junnu and Chinnu. I feel it so good, it's staring to me. Scratch. Wait, do you want to scratch? Okay, you want to scratch, I know it. Why am I biting me, Junnu? You want to scratch, right? Okay, here we go. Scratch off of. Why am I biting my ear? Ow, come please, please come. Ow! Why am I biting my thumb? Painful. But that's all about Junnu and Chinnu. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more awesome updates. And I'm gonna also make other few videos on Junnu and Chinnu because I will teach you how to train them and which bird you have to choose. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Until then, bye bye. Say bye, Junnu. Wanna only play with the chain? Okay, bye.